All right, this one's kind of fun. A printing store used 24 ounces of ink in 18 minutes. Which graph has a slope that best represents the average number of ounces of ink used per minute? Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is look at all the answers. So printer ink used in a store, all that's the same. This is the amount of ink in ounces. And that goes from 0 to 20. And this one goes by twos, which is important. And then the time is the same. So all of these things are the same. The only thing different is the way that these, the slope of each of these lines. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. There's a couple of ways you can attack it. But I'm going to do what I would do first, and then I'll show you another way to look at it. What I would do is I would just divide. So I've got 24 ounces of ink in 18 minutes. That's how much is used. So I would just divide these two and see how much ink is used per minute. That's what came to my mind when I first saw it. So 18 into 24, and you probably have a calculator, but this is what I'm working with. So 8, 19, 11, 12, 34, that's 6. We put a decimal, and 60, 18. 3 times 18 is 30, and 24 is 54, and 6 left over. So that's going to be repeating. So that's going to be 3 repeating. Okay, so what this is saying that for every minute I'm using 1.3 ounces of ink. Okay, well, it's really hard to tell on these graphs what happens after 1 minute. So if I multiply this number by 10, 1.3 by 10, so I'm going to say in 10 minutes, this is how much is going to be used. So it's going to be roughly 13 ounces of ink in 10 minutes. So I can look at all these graphs. Let's just start with A. In 10 minutes, that's only 8 ounces of ink. There. In 10 minutes, this one is right there. That's about 15 ounces of ink. This one, I go up. There's oh no, it's a little less than 14. Well, that looks right about 13 right there. So this one looks good. And this one, 10, it's somewhere up in here. Okay, which is a lot more than 13. So because of that, I would choose answer B. Another thing you can do, so that's one way. Another thing you could do is look at this ratio again, and you may see that it's divisible by 6 or 3, whatever you want to choose. If I choose, let's see, if I choose 3 times 8 is 24, and 3 times 6 is 18, so I got 8 over 6. And remember, we have to remember ounces are on top, minutes are on bottom. So now I've got, in 6 minutes, I'll use 8 ounces. So I can go back through here. These are my minutes, remember, at the bottom. So I can go 6 minutes to 8 ounces. That's too low, so that doesn't work. 6 minutes to 8 is right here. It's a little bit less than the 6 minutes. It's a little bit less than that line. I still wouldn't rule it out because of that. But if I hit it exactly, that'd make me feel better. There it is, exactly 6 minutes, 8 ounces. This one's 6 minutes, 8 ounces is right here. So that's totally off. So all 3 of those are no good, and this one again comes out ahead. So however you see it, just be really careful. The problem's not that difficult, But you just have to be careful that your ounces are in the numerator, your minutes are in the denominator. Okay, ounces to minutes. All right, I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.